Water saving.
Is it even on?
Efficient. Maybe it's eco because there's no water. Precision control. See? Whoa! Dad!
What did you touch?
I got it.
It's raining inside!
It's adjustable! Okay. Eco mode. Grr! This is ridiculous! I've had enough! Why does this keep happening? Ugh, whatever. Turn it off!
You touched one thing.
It was adjustable.
Water's gone! Dad!
The whole street. Okay, technically, when you increase flow efficiency, pressure redistributes.
He increased nothing. He broke everything.
So why is there no water? That's normal. Wait!
Fluid dynamics?
This model is defective. I'll return it.